Best Forex scalping techniques for beginners. Scalping can be a profitable strategy if you understand the basics and apply the right techniques. Understanding Forex scalping basics. Forex scalping involves making dozens or hundreds of trades in a day to scalp small profits from each. It's all about speed and precision. Suitability and tips for Forex scalping. Ensure you have enough time to monitor the market. Maintain a disciplined approach and stick to your trading plan. Consider the cost of spreads and commissions. Time frames for Forex scalping. Scalping usually involves very short time frames. 1-minute chart and 5-minute charts are highly recommended due to speed and execution. When selecting currency pairs for scalping, opt for highly liquid pairs with tight spreads like EUR/USD and GBP/USD. The 1-minute scalping strategy is popular among scalping enthusiasts. Look for quick price movements. Use technical indicators to identify entry and exit points. Factors to consider before scalping. Evaluate the market conditions and avoid trading during low liquidity periods. Choose a broker with low spreads and fast execution times. At TraderFactor, we recommend the following brokers. Active Trader, known for its competitive spreads and ultra-fast execution speeds, making it a strong choice for scalpers. 8cap is recognized for low latency connections and minimal slippage. It is ideal for rapid trading strategies. Owner Royal offers advanced trading platforms with high precision and quick order execution. It is beneficial for scalping. Admirals provides robust technology and consistently low spreads. It supports effective scalping techniques. IronFX delivers high leverage options and swift trade execution. It is perfect for scalping trades. Liquidity and volatility in Forex scalping. High liquidity and volatility are crucial. They ensure you can enter and exit trades quickly with minimal slippage. Here are the key indicators to get you started. Price action focuses on market behavior and patterns. Moving averages helps identify trends and potential reversals. Stochastic oscillator is used to determine overbought or oversold conditions. Bollinger Bands indicates market volatility and potential entry and exit points. Dive deeper into these techniques and enhance your Forex scalping skills by checking out TraderFactor's detailed guide.